Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to find the largest or smallest n items in a collection. We are going to use a heap queue module, which has two functions, n largest and n smallest. We need to import heap queue. Then we have our list. And now we are going to print largest. So we are going to use print. This will be heap queue and largest. And we are just going to print the three largest from our list, and we are going to pass in our list name, and same thing we are going to do for the smallest. We are going to use n smallest function. We can just run the code and check the output, and here is the largest number list and the smallest number list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.